Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, August 23. Yes, look at that one. I'm full pack. Yeah, I have a lot of things because we're going to play badminton. Hi, we play badminton first. Yes, and then after that, we go to the church. After church, we're going to eat lunch. Then lunch, we go watch movie, Odyssey. I'm not sure what's the title of that movie. And then after that one, we're going to eat dinner and then come back home. Oh, diba? Full pack. We're so busy today. Yes, because it's my day off. Yeah, it's my day off. And then we're going to have fun. Yes. Ayan, so yes. I have my breakfast. Egg and sweet potato. Sweet potato. And then 2 eggs. Yes. So, oh my God. Maybe I need to buy a coffee. Yes, I need to buy a coffee while I'm going to the subway station. Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. Have a blessed Sunday. Eating while walking. At least we have some energy when we play badminton. So yes, I got my coffee. I got my coffee in the Lock-In Coffee. Yes. So I order my coffee. It's the, oh my God, butter. Yes, it's a butter. It's a butter. And then I get the long one. So yummy. So then now let's go to the subway station. So dito na tayo sa subway. Waiting. Andali. Look, nobody is here. Yung hindi pa kami hindi pa kami naglaro, pero papawisan na ng bongga. Oh my God, look at that! So laro kami pero wala kaming court. Ang pool ng wala din kaming bola. O diba? Ano bang ginagawa natin dito? But positive lang, makakapaglaro kami. Tignan mo mamaya. So, katatapos lang namin naglaro. We just finished playing badminton. So I don't have any video while we are playing. Hi Albert, how are you? Hi.
Kami.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
May pabor ako.
Ano?
Pauwi.
Ano ba yan?
Sige na, dahil kunin ko sa'yo.
Mag-charge kami. Dalhin mo daw, wala.
Meeting ko po, bahala.
Wala ka dyan.
Bye! Hello everyone! Hello everyone! So, galing kami ng church katatapos lang. No, hindi pala. Nag-lunch kami. Then, after that,
Labas mo sa sunglasses.
so, ayan. So, manonood kami ng sine. Yun naman yung sabi ko kanina. Ay, movie pala. Oh my God, sorry. Take to. Okay. Manonood kami ng movie. Ha? Odyssey. Diba?
Tignan mo, ano pala po sarado na.
Sarado na pala. So, ayan. I'm with VIP Mark. Yes, I'm with VIP CEO. Nakadalsyos. Ayan. Sabi niya kanina, wala, nakapihis siya din pala. Magkapatid nga.
Hindi mo na ako wala bihis? Kung ano
Okay.
Kina-inform.
Hindi ka na-inform. Hindi kailangan talaga. Kaya nga, ano?
Ako din.
So, ayan. We're just done watching movie. Oink, oink, oink. Naging baboy. So, ayan. Maganda naman. Hindi, ganyan na lang siya. Oh, ayan. Okay, manood mo na daw kami. So, ayan. So, we're just done watching movie, The Odyssey. Actually, the movie is nice. So, much better, guys, that you need to watch it. And then, it's up to you how you're going to, you know, to review about the movie. But for me, it's okay. Yes, I'm with them. Watch. Okay, let's see. So, hello guys. Ayan. Vlog ko kayo. Wala lang, ganyan na siya, say hi. So, naghihintay kami sa squad namin sa sa dinner namin, sa barbecue. Ayan. So, bye. Dito kami sa Bella Fiesta again. Ayan o. So, ayan. Ano yung barbecue namin? Okay.
Meron tag-isa tayo yan.
Oo, isa kasi lima eh. Isa pala? Isa. Bakit mo?
Tag-isa tayo yan.
Isa tayo.
Ano pang ganyan? Kasi per person ang only.
Personal hindi pwedeng kuan. Ano ba yan? Yes.
Kanya-kanyang picture ganon.
Hindi, mag-picture ka lang sa'yo. Baala ka dyan. Oh my God, ang sarap. Di ba every Sunday lang to?
488 unlimited.
Saturday ko.
Oo.
Saka sharing.
Dito for you, only for her.
Bawal kasi yung kunagay.
Hindi ka magdagdag kung ano gusto mo.
May magbibilang man yan. Mag-picture? Okay, mamaya na. Bye!